Welcome to IS6FX tutorial video. In this video, we will show you how to make your first trade in MetaTrader 5 on your Android device. If you haven't installed it yet, download it from our website and follow the installation instructions. To begin, open MetaTrader 5 platform. Once MT5 is open, you will see the main interface. To open an order, tap on a currency pair to trade. For example, I select CHFJPY. Select New Order. Set your order parameters. Then tap Buy by Market or Sell by Market. You will receive a done message that your order has been opened successfully. To open a pending order, tap on this button. Tap on the drop-down menu. Here to select an instrument you've added to your Quotes tab. Tap on Execution Type and select a pending order of your choice from these options. Buy Limit, Sell Limit, Buy Stop, Sell Stop, Buy Stop Limit, Sell Stop Limit. For example, I select Sell Stop. Set your order parameters including price, stop loss, and take profit. Then tap Place. You will receive a done message that your order has been opened successfully. To close orders, tap an order to view its details. Then tap and hold the order. Select Close Order. On the next page, tap here to confirm the action. If the order is being closed at a profit, the confirmation button will be closed with profit. If the order is being closed at a loss, the confirmation button will be closed with loss. To modify orders, tap and hold the order. Select Modify Order. Change the settings presented and tap Modify to confirm. You will receive a notification confirming the action. Congratulations! You have learned about how to make a trade in MT5 on your Android device. Thank you for choosing IS6FX. Happy trading!